Radio guys, welcome back to Win with Damien. Got another video for you. Today's video is all about how to lose body fat, losing weight. It's not going to be in terms of do this diet or do this step and you've got to do this many exercises. It's going to be more about some of the things that the internet tells you out there about how to lose weight really quickly. Then I'm going to share a couple of things about how science will tell us the way to do it. The video is more about getting the mindset and understanding, why we're going to do the things that we're going to do and what not to be focusing on and what we should be focusing on to sort of achieve our fitness goals, okay? So we'll jump straight into it. I've got 6 things here that you might see on the internet that's going to tell us about how we're going to lose body weight or burn fat. And the first thing is we might be relying on fat burners. We let them do all the work. The number 2 thing is that there's a lot of fad diets and crash diets out there, the internet's going to say. It's going to say that endless cardio with no strength training will get you there. It's going to say just drink this magic shake, that's all you got to do. It's going to say, we all love these, the 10-minute fat burning ab workouts you see in those infomercials that, just you think, wowee. Model's pretty good. Number 6, relying on supplements to do all the work for you. Now, don't get me wrong, right? These above things do have the ability to aid you in your weight loss and fat burning journey. However, you need to be doing the staples and you've got to have the foundations in place, okay? So what science would tell us about us, again, there's going to be more than this. I've just picked some and things that have resonated with me and just through experience in my own fitness journey, guys. One of them is going to be persistence and consistency to show building those healthy habits. So you're going to have a bad habit, you're going to replace it with a healthy habit. That's the aim here. 2, you're going to be looking at resistance training 2 to 4 times a week. Whatever resistance training you want to do, whatever you enjoy most, that's what you want to be doing. Do the things you love and enjoy doing. 3, you want to be in a calorie deficit if you want to lose weight or burn body fat. So it's simple, it's calories in versus out. Simple as that. You want to manage your cardio, so you don't want to do too much, you don't want to do too little. So there's a sweet spot in there. Again, everyone's different. Sleep, you want to be getting your sleep in 6 to 9 hours. Like, everyone's different. Some may need a little less than that, some may need a little more. We're all different. And the important thing about sleep is you're not building the muscles in the gym, or you're not building the muscles when you're cranking it out, working outside or busting out a home workout. That is not when you're building your muscles. You're building your muscles when you sleep, and then therefore it's very important to eat the right nourishment, because when you're sleeping, that's when all the nutrients and everything get pumped into the muscles, while also, after you've worked out, when you stretch and that. But again, story for another day. Number 6, you want to be patient. We all knew this saying, well, I think most of you might know it out there, is that Rome was not built in a day. Your weight loss journey and your fitness journey is going to be a slow process, okay? You want to do it slow and consistently. Along the way, I've seen, some of you guys might have seen, you pick up any routine book and it's going to profess to you that it's going to hold all the tools, all the secrets to effectively losing the weight you need to and then keeping it off for good. Some books and some magazines are going to say it's going to be eat less and you've got to do more. Some are going to say low fat's the best way. Others are going to recommend removing all your carbs. All in all, what's going to be good for you? Well, if you haven't started and you've only tried one way, well then you only know that one way does or doesn't work. Because the fact of the matter, there's no one size that fits all for endless solid weight loss. We've got to be adaptable. The body's a smart thing. It'll know what you're up to. Its key thing is to keep you alive, not to burn fat and build muscle and all this shit. It's just to keep you alive in a state of hematosis. And remember, guys out there, really important to focus on you and not others in this journey, because what might work for Patrick over there and Susie might not work for you, because our bodies are different. We have different mums and dads and different hereditary things that are passed down, and we also have different well-being. A person that is under immense stress and anxiety, that releases cortisol in the body, and that is, if you're trying to burn fat and lose weight, well, that's what the exact opposite happens when you're in that state. So you want to be in a well-being state of positivity and feeling good about yourself and feeling good about your body. Then it will start to do the things that you want, because you have a good relationship with your body. So this is going to take a little bit of time as well to find out what works for you. I've tried eating 6 meals a day. I've done intermittent fasting, I've done keto, I've done no carbs, I've done paleo, like all different sorts of ones. And you know, sometimes I just sort of float between different ones because I get over them. But that's what it's sort of about, just finding what you like and being able to make it easy for you and enjoyable, because everyone's different. Again, some people are going to be able to rack to counting calories and restrictive strategies, while others are going to want more opportunity to explore with their eating and, you know, be able to dibble and dabble here and there. Some people just want someone to say, right, cut your carbs this week, bang, 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 till you have done, and they find that very easy. But don't get too disheartened if one regime works for someone else and it doesn't work for you, because we're all different, remember. And it's about the long-term goal here, where we're not doing this for a short-term fix. This is what sometimes people can get confused, and what the media and all that sort of portrays, that it's a quick fix. The focus right here and the mindset needs to shift. We're focusing on a healthier lifestyle out there, guys. It's more about what can we do to live a more abundant, more energized, more positive, more happier lifestyle. Not can I just lose that then so I look good just for this moment. You're going to naturally look good because you've chosen to embrace the journey. So to help you achieve that, you're going to have to start looking at why you really want to do this. Like, what's driving you to change? Have you had enough of, you know, your back aching, or just not feeling energized, or the way that you look in the mirror, you know you can be better? Look, there's a number of things that you could be feeling. So start to figure out why you want to do that, and then also look at your vision and your purpose and your why. You might have a greater good. So you might be someone out there that wants to be an example, or you might be a leader or an example at this moment. You might be a mum or a dad, so a parent. You might be a brother or a sister. You might be a leader in your work. So you know you're pretty much a leader anyway. Or you can start to be a leader today by changing and living a healthier lifestyle. Lead yourself. Be a leader to yourself, and start working on yourself. So figure out that vision, that why, and that purpose, the thing that makes you get up every morning and drives you, and that's definitely going to help you to step out there and get out of your comfort zone and start to, you know, get back on that healthy lifestyle, or if you haven't even had one yet, you know, to really make an effort. I just want you to remember, there's not going to be a simple fix here, guys, to getting thinner or losing weight or even putting on muscle. There are a lot of steps that you can take. There are a lot of things that you can do, but it's going to take time. I just want you to remember, it's going to take time, and you're going to have some wins out there, you're going to have some losses out there, but it's all experience, and the experience is the key, because it'll help when you get to the same point another time, you know how to tackle it. So, hope everyone has a fantastic day. Hope you guys got something out of this. If you got this far, please help me out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so I'm going to need your help. So give the channel a subscribe, give the video a like and a comment, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.